Bali, Intersex Philippines is the only intersex-led organization in the country that promotes intersex rights and visibilities for intersex Filipinos.
He's correct. We've been together with Jeff in the LGBTIQ advocacy. And so our job is, my presence is to be in solidarity with the intersex person in their advocacy.
Yeah, bali, RJ was on board with us during the GPS project.
MUHAR is an LGBT organization based in Zamboanga City. So basically, we are documenting, investigating, and monitoring cases of gender-based violence and human rights abuses.
Open Table MCC is an LGBT affirming church. It's a small community church that offers to bring a conversation about spirituality and religion along with sexuality and gender.
This pathway actually aims to target stakeholders or groups. Now, we don't usually get the support when it comes to advancing LGBTIQ+ advocacy. It operates under the idea that we do not work in silos. Thus, we need support systems from the outside. So for the first year of GPS pathway or generating public support niya, it's called Sojify GAD or Sojifying Gender Development. Ang main goal nito is to integrate the principles of SOGSC doon sa gender development, planning, and budgeting. Hindi na nila kailangan magkaroon pa ng new ordinance or ng isang bagong polisiya, but ina-anchor na lang nila doon sa kanilang gender development plan and budget kung paano nila ma-amplify pa or ma-address yung issues.
Tinanggap siya ng Open Table ng Year 2 para i-generate naman to public support to communities of faith. So that is Sojifying God as in GAD, and then ngayon parang binigyan namin ng saglay na Sojifying God para sa mga queer affirming organizations and communities of faith.
GPS3 is quite different. GPS3, our job is to connect with influential businesses.
Yun nga yung missing link in the labbing of the Soji Equality Bill, yung private sector, yung mga private companies. So we train them to at least i-update yung mga DEI policies nito.
Sa Zamboanga City, marami tayong mga programa for LGBTQ+ na institutionalized doon mismo sa GAD code ng Zamboanga.
Explicitly sinasabi na ng kanilang gender development plan and budget na ang mga benepisyaryo ng ganito mga programa ay kasama na din ang mga LGBTQ+ na community members.
Meron din kaming na-launch na How Inequality Looks Like. Ito ay mga istorya ng diskriminasyon na na-experience ng mga LGBTQA+, particularly in Mindanao.
Yeah.
At we're very happy na maraming mga LGUs na na-adapt, na-replicate nila at ginawa nila yon sa kanilang kanya-kanyang probinsya at municipalidad at city.
Naka-influence din tayo ng isang local government unit na magpasa ng kanilang anti-discrimination ordinance sa loob ng less than 6 months. Yung 5 na engaged natin na local government units ay lahat ng mayor doon ay nagpahiwatig ng kanilang suporta sa pagpasa ng SOGSC Equality Bill.
Isa sa mga success stories na gusto naming i-highlight yung pag-accomplish ng faith-seeking equality and common good module. Si Reverend Gina ng IFI Pampanga and Rizal ay ginamit yung module para mag-distribute ng SOGSC awareness campaign sa families and queer students. And currently, ang pinakang nakakatuwa ngayon ay ang Ateneo de Manila University ay gumagawa ng isang elective course based sa module. At the same time, i-offer nila ngayon ito sa mga college students na para i-educate ang mga students sa queer theology.
Some of the companies, for the first time, crafted their DEI policies. Some of them, for the first time, conducted SOGS sensitivity sessions, not only to their clients, but also, most especially to their employees. And lastly, some of them brave to engage with their leaders who are very conservative in their outlook and macho in their outlook, to engage them that it's now about the right time to put in place DEI in the firm.
If the employee feels safe, kapag maganda yung trato natin sa kanila, They will work hard for the company. So, parehas na may gain yan eh.
It's a long shot, pero kailangan medyo ma-shift natin o mabago natin yung narrative na ang pagiging LGBT ay hindi sinful, hindi mistake. It's part of God's design. Okay, I don't know. It's part of God's design of diversity. So, and it should be celebrated.